Could you?
A polite way to ask someone for help.
Could you please help me? Would you mind?
Used to politely ask someone to do something.
Would you mind opening the door? May I?
A polite way to ask for permission.
May I sit here? Excuse me.
Used to politely get someone's attention.
Excuse me, can you tell me the time? I'm sorry.
A polite way to apologize for a mistake.
I'm sorry for being late. Please.
Used to make a request polite.
Please pass me the salt. Thank you.
A polite way to show gratitude.
Thank you for your help. I appreciate it.
A polite way to show gratitude for someone's effort.
I really appreciate your advice. That's very kind of you.
A polite response when someone helps you.
That's very kind of you to help me. Pardon me.
A polite way to ask someone to repeat something.
Pardon me, could you say that again? Would it be okay if?
Polite way to ask permission.
Would it be okay if I borrow your pen? I beg your pardon.
A very polite way to ask someone to repeat.
I beg your pardon. I didn't hear you. If you don't mind.
A polite way to request or suggest.
I'll sit here if you don't mind. Do you mind if I?
Asking politely before doing something.
Do you mind if I open the window? Would you please?
A formal and polite request.
Would you please explain this again? I'd appreciate if.
A polite way to ask for help.
I'd appreciate if you could call me later. It would be great if.
A polite suggestion or request.
It would be great if you could join us. I was wondering if.
A polite way to ask a question indirectly.
I was wondering if you could help me. I'd be grateful if.
Polite way to express thanks for a future action.
I'd be grateful if you could send me the notes. Would it be possible?
Asking politely if something can be done.
Would it be possible to reschedule the meeting? Would you mind?
A polite way to ask someone to do something.
Would you mind closing the door? May I ask?
A polite way to begin a question.
May I ask where the library is? Do you think you could?
A soft way to request help.
Do you think you could lend me a book? Would it trouble you if?
Asking if something will cause inconvenience.
Would it trouble you if I sit here? I'd like to request.
Formal and polite way to ask.
I'd like to request a day off tomorrow. I hope you don't mind.
Used before doing something polite.
I hope you don't mind if I join you. I was hoping you could.
A polite way to ask for help.
I was hoping you could explain this lesson. If it's not too much trouble.
A polite phrase before asking a favor.
If it's not too much trouble, could you carry this bag? Could I possibly?
A polite way to make a request.
Could I possibly borrow your umbrella? Would you be so kind?
Very polite way to ask for help.
Would you be so kind as to explain this again? Would it be alright if?
Asking for permission politely.
Would it be alright if I opened the window? Do you mind if I?
A polite way to ask before doing something.
Do you mind if I sit here? Could I trouble you too?
Very polite way to ask a favor.
Could I trouble you to send me the file? I'd be grateful if.
Expressing thanks in advance.
I'd be grateful if you could help me with this. Would you kindly?
Formal and polite request.
Would you kindly explain the answer? Would you be willing to?
Asking if someone agrees politely.
Would you be willing to join our group? Do you think it's possible?
A polite way to check possibility.
Do you think it's possible to meet tomorrow? If you don't mind.
Asking politely before doing something.
If you don't mind, I'll sit next to you. I'd really appreciate it if.
Showing gratitude for a request.
I'd really appreciate it if you explain this again. May I please?
Polite way to ask permission.
May I please borrow your pen? I was wondering if you could.
A gentle way to make a request.
I was wondering if you could check this for me. Is it okay if?
Asking permission politely.
Is it okay if I leave a little early today? Would you mind if I asked?
Polite way to begin a question.
Would you mind if I asked about your opinion? Do you think you could?
Polite way to request help.
Do you think you could carry this bag? I don't want to bother you, but.
Polite way to ask without disturbing.
I don't want to bother you, But could you explain this? When you have time, could you?
Respecting someone's time while asking.
When you have time, could you send me the notes? If it's not too much trouble.
Polite way to avoid sounding demanding.
If it's not too much trouble, could you wait a moment? I'd like to request.
A formal, polite way to ask.
I'd like to request a seat near the window. Would it bother you if?
Checking if something disturbs the other person.
Would it bother you if I call you later? Please let me know if.
Polite way to ask for information.
Please let me know if you need help.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to Beginner English Zone.